Hello everyone. So today is 29th of April and we had Sensex expiry today. So let's see how our HFT algo scanner performed on the Sensex. Okay. So we are on 1 minute chart and again this is the HFT algo scanner. So for transparency what I'll do again is like I'll delete it and I'll re-add it. So many people say that I have changed the like code and so on, and after that I'm showing. So if you see the page of this indicator, so the last update was on March 15th, and so this indicator that I'm going to add on the chart, HFT algo scanner. And now I'm going for the settings, like I'll make the settings. So Sensex, so let's say 80,200 was almost the ATM. The strike difference of Sensex is 111 and today's date was 29 uh, 425, and that's it. Okay, so now let's discuss, okay, how it performed. So coming one by one here, so look at in the morning, okay. So call writers were present here, also like call buying were happening. So they like it could confuse you. Why? Because whether these call writers are closing or not, since Sensex was moving up. So okay, we agreed till here there was confusion, okay, but here there was like right at this top. Okay, so let's look at the time, 9:33, 9:34. So right here it was very clear that the call writers are only present, and during that time only, like by 9:33 our Nifty AI money flow went into negative, and also like Bank Nifty AI money flow went into negative zone, like deep negative it went into like by 9:34 a.m. Negative 41, and here deep negative it went to 9:39. Okay, but yes, this signal was there, that is the negative zone. And now here from here, like right at the top, as you can see, 80,600 it fell to 80,000, like 150. Okay, so now you can see like almost like more than almost 450 points fall. So the thing is that again, let's see, coming down right here, if you see here, that is put writers here started coming in. Okay, so now here right at the bottom, put writers started coming in and gave a like support, and again we had this level of resistance, 80,414. So this level was shared earlier as well many times when I used to make analysis of my videos. So now coming down here, so there like again it got resistance. So here also like call writers came in again at the top. Okay, so put writers were here at the bottom, went up, and then the call writers again dominated and it came down. Okay, so here mostly you will see call writing being happening, and here as well again it went up, and right at the top again the call writers shorted. Okay, so if you look at the amount, so this is here 54.5 cr. So also let's look at the amounts, the fund flow. So this is 42 cr, this is 42 cr, 42.8, this is 30 cr. Okay, so you can see the light red amount, and we only follow the light red and the light green, and so those are the writing, call writing light red, put writing light green, and call buying is deep green, put buying is deep red. Okay, we don't follow the buying because we take into consideration that the big institutions having 500 cr or 1000 cr they sell. Okay, and like the Jane Street or whatever, so so they sell mostly. Okay, so that is what we are considering. And now here right at the top they sold, and again Sensex came down to 80,200 from like 400. Okay, 400 points fall. So here some put riders were active, but not much. You have to look at where the big money is active. Okay, who is putting more money? So the riders put have put more money. Okay, so if you can see like the light green, it's 92 lakhs. Here it's 64 lakhs. It's 40 lakhs. Okay, the light green. But here if you see it's 21 this is 21 cr, this is 54 cr. Okay, now here there was some big put writing, that is 26 cr, and again coming down to here almost right at the bottom, like they were mostly active. Okay, so as you can see the put writers were active. So this is 10 cr, this is 12 cr, this is 10 cr, this is also 10.9, almost 11 cr, this is 98, so this is 1 cr, 98 lakhs, so almost 1 cr. So here the put writers were active, and again it took support and went up. So while it was going up, some call writers came in here, but the big call writer came in here. So let's see, look at the amount. So this is 63 CR, almost here. And again, further writing happened here, 50 CR, almost at the top, and then again it fell. And again, if you see, mostly at this zone, it's called writers that were present, and it got resistance, and finally it came down. Okay, so even here as well, like let's look at the amount, 30 CR. And so mostly if you see here, so like the last fall was also like, so many people do hero zero, or like they also, the big writers, they eat premium of 2 rupees, 3 rupees. So anyway, so for them also, like as you can see, like the last 1 hour, so they're also like the call writers were mostly active, and it came down. So anyways, so that's how throughout the Sensex expiry, the HFT algo scanner performed. I also posted how it performed on Nifty and Bank Nifty, and on on X platform as well. So you can go and check it out. And again, if you want to know more about the indicator, so you can go to my website here, and you have to go to about the indicators, and you will get all about the indicators here. So what the colors means, and and also the smart trend, dynamic stop, and the AI money flow. So it's all written here. And if you want further videos, and to understand how it works live, so if you want to see live how it works, you can go and check out this live stream. So where I have shown you that all these like bars happens in real time. So it tells you in real time what is happening, what the big guys are doing, and the fund flow also comes in real time. So if you just go to this live stream, you will see that I have practically shown you, like so this is the image. So this part of the day I was live, and here these reversals I showed you live. Okay, so especially this one, so you can skip the video and go to this moment and check it out, that I was live, and like this reversal was caught. So with the help of the HFT algo scanner. Okay, so and also if you want to know more about how to use it and so on and so forth, so you can go to my YouTube channel and check out the high probability setup video, and also how to catch reversals video. So these two videos are very important to know how the HFT algo scanner works. And again, if you want the access to the indicators, so you just have to like subscribe here. So whichever like suits you, you can subscribe. And again, many people come and say that we don't have the money to subscribe. So for you, I also post like here, if you go and check out the last few days, so here I have posted many posts on X for free before the move. Yes, I also post after the move, but I also post before the move as well. So you can go and check out, like these posts were made before the move, and also many other posts as well. So again, yes, that's it for this video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.